Alright, today is the 18th of March. I am at Bukit Batok West Avenue 3 and I'm here to document the number of trees that have been felled. These trees have been here for about 30 to 40 years and it's very sad that they have been cut down, and as you can see from the other side of the road, some of the trees that you see on the other side of the road are the same ones that have been cut down. So we're going to document the number of trees that have been cut. So this is tree number 1 and I'm here with my son to count the number of trees. Let's go. Alright, this is tree number 2. Okay, this is tree number 2. Number 3. This is tree number 4. And this is tree number 5. And as you can see from the roots, this tree must have been huge. And that is number? 5. This is tree number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, correct. 5. 6. Alright, this is tree number 6. Tree number 7. Joe boy, can you help Papa to count, because I need to look around and talk. I may lose count. As you can see over there, these are exactly the trees that have been cut down. There are some construction works going on, and
number 8.
Alright, this is tree number 8. Oh my gosh, look at that, how huge this is. Alright, this is tree number 9. Such a pity. 9. Oh wow. Tree number 10. Look at how huge the stump is.
Tree number 11.
Tree number 11.
12.
Tree number 12. Is that a stump under the construction works?
No.
12. I think there's one here. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, there's one here. You can see from the roots here. Alright. There's another stump under all this stuff. So that's 13 trees. And to give you an idea about how large those trees were, Joe boy, remember 13, okay? This is the height of one of those trees. And this is the only one that's standing now. Huge trees that were cut down. Alright, so this is the only one that's standing. And now we are coming to stump number
14.
Yep. 14. There you go, you can see these huge trees on the other side. And stump number 14, oh my gosh, you can see from the stump what a huge tree it was. Oh my gosh, you can see from the roots. Stump number 14. Alright, and as you can see here, there are no more trees along the entire stretch of this side of the road. And I have no idea. There's no information here about why they have to cut all these trees down. And I just wonder whether they could have preserved these trees while still allowing them to carry out whatever construction works they were going to do. And this is number 16, right? 16. And this is another huge tree, as you can see from the roots here. Oh my gosh.
This would be one huge tree.
This is tree number 17. Tree number 18. And tree number 19. Alright, now we are coming to the last stump, which is tree number 19. Another huge tree. Alright, and to give you an idea again about how these trees used to look previously, here is a row of the same type of trees that were cut. And as you can see, they are tall and they have a magnificent canopy giving out oxygen, cooling the place down. And I think there are about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them left. Yes, just 6 of them left over here. And we hope that nothing is going to happen to these trees. As you can see here, the entire row of trees, and look how